Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve makeup look. So I do just want to say that I'm currently getting over a cold, so I'm sorry if I sound like stuffy and nasally and if I'm sniffing a lot, but I'm feeling a lot better than I did like a couple days ago. So yeah, like I said, I'm still getting over it, so I still sound sick. I'm still a little sick, like I don't really feel the best, but I definitely feel a lot better than I did a few days ago. So yeah, like I said, I want to do a like New Year's Eve inspired makeup look. I'm going to be using the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights So Jaded palette. So I kind of want to do like a black smoky eye. I really want to use this shade Onyx. It's like it's a black, but it has lots of different like shimmer and sparkles in it, so I really want to use that shade. But first I think I'm going to go into the shade Rose Quartz and Royal Jewels. I'm just going to mix those two together and put those in my crease. Okay, so I just used those same two shades that I used in my crease on my lower lash line. So now I want to go into that Onyx shade, that like black with like the sparkles in it. I don't know how well you can see that. I'm just gonna use my finger to first apply it, and then if I need to be more precise, I'll go in with a brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend that out. I'm just gonna take that same brush that I used for the transition shades, and I'm not gonna pick up any more product. I'm just going to blend out this black shade in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit more of that Onyx shade on my finger, just because when I was blending it in my crease, some of it did get wiped off of the lid, so I'm just going to take a little bit more and just pat it over the lid again. Okay, sorry about the lighting. It just got like super sunny outside, so I had to close my blinds, so it's a little dark in here now, but I just took that same black Onyx shade and I smudged it on my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna go into the shade Pearl, this like highlighting shade, and put that on my inner corner and brow bone. Okay, so I just went ahead and put some black liner in my waterline. This one is from Essence. It's just a black pencil liner. So this is pretty much the eye look. I'm just going to figure out what lashes I want to wear. I might pick one from this gigantic pack of lashes that I got for Christmas. It's the Ardell, like all the wispies set, so I might pick one in here. I'm not totally sure, so I'm just gonna go put my lashes on off camera and also do my bronzer, blush, and highlight, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. For my bronzer, I use the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer, and then for my blush, I use the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky. And then for my highlight, I use the Ofra and Madison 89 Miller collab highlight in the shade Moon Dance. This really pretty, super blinding highlight. But yeah, this is what the eyes look like. I think it's really pretty, and I like how the black is like a metallic sparkly black. I think it adds like a really nice touch to kind of like a classic black smoky eye, because it just has that nice sparkle in it. This is so pretty. I haven't done like a black smoky eye in a really long time, so I really love how this look turned out. I think it's so pretty, and it's perfect for a New Year's Eve party, or just any time if you're wanting a black smoky eye. Like I said, I really like how the black is like a metallic sparkly black. It's just really pretty. So yeah, this is my New Year's Eve makeup look for 2019. I can't believe that this year is ending and that the decade is ending. I like literally can't wrap my head around the decade ending. It's just so crazy to me. I feel like 2019 was like a really long and crazy year, and I'm really excited for 2020. I feel like it's gonna be a good year for me, at least. I'm hoping. I'm just really excited to see what the year brings me, and I'll be getting married in 2020, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I just can't wait to see the growth that I make in 2020. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I think for the first time in a while, I'm actually excited for the new year. So yeah, I hope you guys like this makeup look. I think it's really pretty and smoky. It's perfect for New Year's Eve or any time. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. See you in the new year. Happy New Year, everyone.